So a few screens on how a NewHub homepage could look like, fully configured. So this is the default landing page with the default color theme. It's a dark green color theme that we have created, and then it's also easily configurable to be like via CSS. It's going to be switched between one or the other color theme. Also, we'll go through that in a second. So just to give you an idea of how this actually can be set up as a white label solution for customers that don't necessarily want to show that they're using ClickSense in the background, but that this is actually a portal that takes leverage and sits on top of ClickSense. But then with a completely different visual and branding option that can go a long ways for certain customers. A bit on the menu and organizational structure here on how we organize groups and subgroups, and then the applications themselves and how they open inside the tool. We've done this a bit differently than what the standard ClickSense application is giving us out of the box with ClickSense. So I have here my my main menu already configured with a few groups and subgroups. They can be whatever you actually want and need for in your organization. That's going to depend on your business needs. So this gives you complete freedom to do this, and then to link um, apps or mashups that make sense for each specific group and subgroup. Then at the app level, you'll see that then we're actually rendering this as a mashup automatically. We'll see this in a few seconds, and then you'll see also that we've decided to give a different approach on how the filters and the filter options are actually displayed on the screen. So the filters remain the same as you would be expecting behavior-wise with ClickSense, but then we've just gone ahead and placed filters on as a detailed filter pane here if you want to give highlight to a few filters, and then an entire filter pane in which you can actually, it's going to be a lot easier to work with a ClickSense sheet. Likewise, a sheet menu here that lists all the sheets for this application. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets, and then also an ability to create groups within those sheets if it's there's clients, of course, that have the need to have hundreds of sheets listed, but then it makes sense to group them accordingly. This has also the ability then to display mashups inside NewHub. So this is a mashup now, custom mashup embedded inside NewHub. A few options here on a few slides here, sorry, on now the actual brains behind NewHub, which is it's actually a combination between two mashups. The mashup that is going to be presented on the front end for the ClickSense users to navigate and see and consume their data analytics, and then the second mashup, which is the administration panel, the CMS behind NewHub. And this is actually a restricted panel, only intended to be used by root admin roles within the ClickSense server, and where we'll see all the magic happening, where we'll start configuring all apps that are listed on the ClickSense server, all mashups, custom links if you want to create custom links, and all the configurations that we'll be seeing in the live demo. There's a few a few pages here to be configured. These are all optional things that you can enable or disable depending on your preferences, on what you want the actual final end users to see. And then a key feature here is the ability to create custom CSS and upload custom logos to create white label or your own branded solution for on the white label platform. Thank you all for joining us, and I hope this was quite useful for you. Thank you so much, and see you next time.